Assalamu alaikum, explorers. Have you ever wondered what is actually inside the Kaaba? The most famous building in the world, the holiest place in Islam, yet almost nobody gets to enter it. For most people, the inside of the Kaaba remains a mystery their entire life. So what's really inside? Hidden treasures? Ancient secrets? Or something completely different? Today, let's explore what's really inside the Kaaba. Let's begin. The Kaaba is the sacred house built for the worship of Allah, located in the center of Masjid al-Haram in Mecca. Every Muslim around the world faces the Kaaba while praying. But here's something many people misunderstand. Muslims do not worship the Kaaba. Muslims worship Allah alone. The Kaaba simply unites Muslims in one direction. So, can anyone enter the Kaaba? Usually, no. Only a small number of selected people are allowed inside, during special occasions or cleaning ceremonies. And that's why so many people wonder, what does the inside actually look like? Now imagine this. The door of the Kaaba slowly opens, and you step inside. But wait, inside the Kaaba, there are no giant treasure rooms, no hidden magical objects, and no golden palace. In fact, the inside is surprisingly simple, peaceful, quiet, and beautiful. And honestly, that simplicity surprises most people. Inside the Kaaba, there are 3 wooden pillars holding up the roof. The floor is made of smooth marble, and elegant lamps hang from above. The walls are decorated with marble and beautiful Quranic inscriptions. There is even a staircase inside, leading up to the roof of the Kaaba. But the real importance of the Kaaba is not what's inside it. Its value comes from its connection to Allah. Long ago, the Kaaba was rebuilt by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son, Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. They built it as a house dedicated to worshiping Allah alone. But over time, people filled the Kaaba with idols, hundreds of idols. Then, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and removed the idols from the Kaaba, bringing it back to the worship of one God. Did you know the Kaaba is still cleaned and washed? Special people clean the inside using Zamzam water, mixed with beautiful perfumes like rose and oud. Imagine the peaceful fragrance inside the Kaaba after it has been cleaned. But explorers, there is something even more important to understand. Allah does not look at beautiful buildings. He looks at our hearts. The Kaaba teaches Muslims about unity, worship, obedience, and closeness to Allah. Every year, millions of Muslims visit the Kaaba, yet they all worship the same Creator. Now imagine standing in front of the Kaaba for the very first time. Your heart beating fast, your eyes filled with tears, and millions of Muslims around you. One day, inshallah, maybe you will see it too. The Kaaba is more than just a building. It represents faith, unity, and devotion to Allah. And now, the mystery inside the Kaaba is no longer a mystery. Until our next adventure, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep your heart close to Allah. Assalamu alaikum.